What's the meaning of Battersea Dogs Home? Battersea Dogs Home. Battersea Dogs Home.
Battersea Dogs Home. Battersea Dogs Home. Battersea Dogs and Cats Home, also known as Battersea Dogs Home, is a popular animal rescue centre located in the Battersea area of London, England. Founded in 1860, this organisation has been dedicated to providing care for lost or abandoned dogs and cats, with the aim of finding them new loving homes. Battersea Dogs and Cats Home has become an important institution in the UK, rescuing and rehoming thousands of animals every year. Their work has helped to raise awareness of the importance of responsible pet ownership and encourages people to adopt rather than buy pets. The organization also provides education programs and campaigns for animal welfare.